How to fix Garena failed to connect with Facebook. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak and unstable connection can cause login issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Next, check if there are any updates available for the Garena app. Go to the Google Play Store and open it and see if there is a new version of Garena is available. If an update is available, download and install it, as this may fix any connectivity issues. If the problem is not solved, let's go back to the Facebook app and try logging out of your Facebook account and then log in again and then try to connect again. Another step is consider cleaning the app cache. Press and hold on the Facebook app and from this menu, tap on the info icon to open app settings. Once you are in, tap on storage to open it. Here, clear user data and cache and then try again to connect. Finally, if none of these solutions work, and that's it. This is how you can fix Garena failed to connect with Facebook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.